Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is this fun cut crease that's inspired by the royal wedding in the UK. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. I'm first going in with this blue shade called Atlantic. Yep, Atlantic, and I'm going to put that all through my crease. I'm then going in with this shade right here. This is a baby blue in the shade Coast. I'm going to buff out that blue edge. Right, now that that is done and blended how I want it to be, I'm actually going to go in with a gel liner. This is the number 76 gel liner from Inglot, which is just white. So you can use any gel liner that you want, or you can just use concealer. The reason I want to use gel liner is I'm using white eyeshadow. And recently, every time I use white eyeshadow on concealer, it cracks. So I'm hoping this will give me the white base that I need. You could also use Milk by NYX. Before that has time to set, I'm going to go in with the white in the palette, which is called Waterfall. I'm going to pack this colour on the inner 2/3. Right, then going in with this bright red shade, this is called Red Sea. I'm going to buff that on the outer bit of my eye. Ooh, that's so pretty. Using a thinner brush, I'm going to take that red again and just get it to my line. I didn't want to use the other brush because it was a bit too thick. And I don't want to ruin the line I've already got going. If anyone has any recommendations of thin brushes, like similar like thinness to this but better bristles, just let me know. Now I'm going to go in with a wing, and today I'm actually not using a gel liner. I'm going to use the NYX Super Skinny Marker and hope that I can do the best. I've also got the Ciate London one just in case, because it's a thicker tip and I don't like the thicker tips, whereas this one is super skinny. I'm going to use some of the NYX Slide On Glide On in I think it's Sunrise Blue. Yeah, Sunrise Blue in my waterline, and I'm also going to smudge a little bit on my lash line and blend it in. Then I'm going to smudge the blue that, the main blue that I put in my crease, which is called and I'm going to buff that out with the light blue, which is called Coast. I'm actually going to use a bit of the highlighter I'm using. This is Dose of Colours in ICU Baby. It's a white with a gold reflect. I don't know if you can see that. Absolutely stunning. I'm using it as a base because I'm going to go in with a pigment from Peaches and Cream, which is the same sort of like white with a bit of the gold reflect going on, but I just want it to have a base to sit on. That's beautiful. Now you could actually just leave it as that because that's stunning on its own, but I want to be extra, so I am going to go in with the pigment and just dab that on top. And it just looks so pretty. So that is the eyes done. I am going to go finish the rest of my face and then put my lashes on, and I will come back and show you the finished look. guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? Using a pen liner was really hard. I've not done it in so long that I shouldn't have done it. I should have just stuck to gel. I like the way it came out. Like I say, the wing's a bit thick. I like the way it came out, and I kind of like the shape that I've done as well. What do you think? Do you like the colours? And I really like the colours, and oh my god, the Certified palette is fantastic. For the shades that I've used, they blend like a dream, they're pigmented. Ooh, really nice. So I'm going to practice. I am going to carry on using that, and then I will let you know my thoughts more on that. So thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe if you would like to see more from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!